I can see a person in the center holding a water bottle in their left hand and a cup in their right hand. There's also a chair to the left and a book and table to the right.
Kimi K2 Thinking is a general-purpose reasoning model recently released by Moondream AI. In November 2025, it has excellent support for tool calling. The thinking model can utilize approximately 200 to 300 external tools to complete complex tasks without any human intervention. So this video will demonstrate how to use the model to create a voice and vision agent in Python, capable of detecting objects in videos in real time and surrounding them with rectangular bounding boxes. To run the model, you can go to kimi.com and run it here. Over here, you have to set it to the thinking mode. Developers can access it through the API using this model name Kimi K2 Thinking. Kimi K2 Thinking is also available on OpenRouter. So in this video, we will create a vision agent app and access the model via OpenRouter. So we will use the OpenRouter plugin for vision agents, which is available on pyp.org. You can install the plugin with this command: pip install vision agents plugins OpenRouter. The sample demo uses different AI services, so it requires you to add all the following API keys to a .m file of your project. To use the Kimi K2 Thinking model via OpenRouter, first you should initialize a new Python project with UV in it and install vision agents with UV add vision agents. Since the voice and vision agent uses different AI services, we need to install the following plugins for text-to-speech, speech-to-text, and turn detection. You have noticed we also have the Vision Agents plugin for OpenRouter to access the Kimi K2 Thinking model. After installing Vision Agents and all the necessary plugins, you should add all the following imports. What is missing here is the OpenRouter plugin, so let's add it. After importing the OpenRouter plugin, what we need to do is to add an async main function and define the agent. Over here, we create a new agent with the SDK's agent class with all the following parameters. We define the audio and video transport we want to use and detailed instructions for the agent. We add the real-time object detection component that is using Moondream, the text-to-speech component and speech-to-text component. We also have turn detection. So what is missing is the LLM we want to use for the voice agent. To access the Kimi K2 Thinking model via OpenRouter, we need to add the following code snippet. We add the LLM parameter to the agent's definition to access the model from OpenRouter. To access the model via OpenRouter, you should specify the name as this: Moonshot AI/Kimi K2 Thinking. If I scroll down further, over here we create a new video call in Vision Agents, and when we launch the Python script, we open a web UI, that is a video calling UI, to interact with the voice and vision agent in real time. So I'll go to the terminal and run the Python script using UV.
Hi there, I'm your Kimi K2 Thinking Vision Assistant. I can see your camera feed and I can detect objects with green bounding boxes. What would you like me to help you find or monitor today?
Can you tell me what you see in my camera feed?
I can see a person in the center holding a water bottle in their left hand and a cup in their right hand. There's also a chair to the left and a book and table to the right.